Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can activate the quick launch. So I'm talking about this feature when you double press the power key. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find the advanced features. It's right here. Click on the side key and then tap right here on this feature to turn on the double press. And as you can see, currently we can use the launch camera, open Bixby, or just open any other apps. So we can pick that one that you want to open, but of course let's stay with the quick launch of the camera and just take a look. That's how it works. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.